How do we use numbers in Spanish? We use numbers just like in the English language for a range of topics. For example, to talk about the price, the weight, the measurements, distances, the time of the day, and the days of the month. So on this slide, we're going to be learning quite a few things at the same time. So notice we got a new vocabulary. So on the left-hand side, we've got all the topics that I just mentioned. So we've got el precio, the price, el peso, the weight, la distancia, the distance, la medida, the measurement, la hora del día, the time of the day, and la fecha, the date. So we use cardinal numbers to talk about all these topics. So also notice I'm going to be reading out loud the examples. So notice the pronunciation and the intonation and how we use this vocabulary in Spanish. For example, to say the coffee is 3 euros, we can say el café vale 3 euros. The suitcase weighs 23 kilos. La maleta pesa 23 kilos. The airport is 60 kilometers from the city. El aeropuerto está a 60 kilómetros de la ciudad. The wardrobe measures 2 meters. El armario mide 2 metros. It's 1 o'clock. Es la 1 en punto. It's 4 in the afternoon. Son las 4 de la tarde. And to say today is the 31st of October. Hoy es 31 de octubre. Notice how the English system use st at the end of 31st, for example, to talk about dates. So they use the ordinal number. The Spanish system to talk about dates, we do not use the ordinal numbers. We use just the cardinal numbers. So 31 de octubre, 11, el 15, el 25, etc., etc. And also in the example with the measurement, la medida, with the wardrobe, the Spanish system, we use the metric system. In Spain, we do not use inches, for example.